Okay, hello, welcome to today's class. So today's class is a continuation of the previous class where we hosted our website. We purchased hosting for our website, all right? And of course, you can see the website is a client's website. bkleassociate.com is a construction company, and in the previous class we purchased the domain name, then also went ahead to purchase a hosting, right? So this website now has a registered domain name, bkleassociates.com.ng, and it also has a hosting account, all right, which also bears this name. All right, so this is my hosting platform, and of course you are aware that this is a local provider, right? So we're working with a local provider. This is my own personal account. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to go ahead and install a WordPress CMS on the hosting account we bought, and then connect it to the domain name, all right, and then now impute the website. Okay, so the website has already been built, all right. That's my own way of working. I build the website first, all right, on a separate hosting account, and then after I've completed it, I purchase the domain name and hosting, and then migrate the website to its original place. All right, so probably that's going to be in another class. We'll talk about migration of websites. Okay, so for now, we want to see how to install a WordPress on a new hosting account. Okay, even though we might have done this in a previous model, I think this might just be like a refresher. All right, so let's move on. Okay, now on the hosting account, remember when we bought the hosting, I said it comes with its own cPanel, right? Every hosting account has a cPanel. The C means control, so cPanel stands for control panel, where you have access to the back end of the hosts of these hosting platform. So we're gonna proceed right now to the cPanel for these hosting accounts. So for the smart web, you have the cPanel right here. So I don't know the one you may want to use. Like I said, you can use any vendor, any provider, all right? But for smart web, you have it right here. Just go to this place, you see log into cPanel. So just click on it and open the cPanel. Oh, I'm not online, so let me go online now. Okay, my network connection is back up and running now. All right, so this is the cPanel of my hosting account, all right, for that particular website. So when you come to your cPanel, you're going to see different sections here. You have all these the navigation. In the previous module, we talked about the cPanel. I believe you're already familiar with your cPanel. Okay, so what we need to do right now is to install a WordPress CMS, all right, on these accounts. Are you getting it now? Okay, so you just hover over this place, you see WordPress Managers by Softaculous. Okay, you can use here, or you can come down to the place where you have softwares. Alright, you can scroll down to where you have softwares. Here you have it, software, and then you come down here, you see Softaculous apps installer. Alright, but to make it very easy, I usually go through here. Okay, you just come here, WordPress Manager by Softaculous, just click on it. So that would show you the WordPress installer directly. This is Softaculous right here. Now it's a WordPress installer. Okay, so coming here, I have a WordPress already installed here. Okay, so I'll hover over these boxes here. The first one is install, so I just click install. This one is for another website. All right, boom. Okay, the WordPress installer has opened. So coming down here, you see software setup, choose installation URL. All right, so you can see the URL for my website, bklassociates.com. okay, and it's HTTPS. all right, so I'm good to go. So I'll come here and remove this WP here. All right, this WP here is folder. All right, it's a folder, all right, on the host, but I don't want it to be there, so I'll just remove it. It's a directory. All right, a directory folder, so I'll remove that. You can see here in directory, so I just want it to be standing on its own. So you come here, the site settings, and you can put the name here, put the site description and all of that. Okay, but I prefer to leave that, all right, for later on. Okay, because I've already done all that on another platform. So by the time I migrate the website to this account, it will just take everything from the website there. All right, so the only thing I have to do is put my username. So I put my username and put my password right here. And then of course my email address, put my email. So you have to ensure you do this. All right, take note of the username and the password, because that is what you're always going to use to log into the WordPress account. If you can remember the username and password, that means you've as good as lost this WordPress account. All right, so remember to write it down somewhere. And then coming over here, select plugins. I don't want any of these plugins. All these are just default plugins that they checked. They come with WordPress, just like when you purchase a new phone. It will come with some apps. So you just remove the ones you don't need. Me, I don't need any of them, so I just remove all of them. And then coming down here, leave everything as it is. Don't touch any other thing. All right, don't touch any other thing. Everything is cool. So I just come down here and click on install. When you scroll up, you see is installing. Boom, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. All right, so successfully installed our WordPress. So if you come here, you will see the URLs. This one is to the front end, and then you have the administrative URL, which takes you to the back end. All right, so let's see the front end first. Click on it. Boom, you can see hello world. So this is the front end, a raw WordPress software. All right, just raw, empty, bland, nothing there. Okay, so it's installed. Then let's see the back end. Come here, click on the link. Boom, welcome to WordPress. Right, so this is our back end. Okay, all these things came with the WordPress. Okay, so we have the front end and then we have the back end. So we start from the back end. Okay, So for me, the first thing I usually do is to clean up my dashboard, because this is my dashboard from where I'll start working. So I like to have a clean desk. So I'll come here, screen options, and just uncheck everything. All right, uncheck, 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 uncheck. All right, then take this up. Boom. So I have a clean desk, a clean dashboard to work with. All right, so coming over here, I'm seeing red here, which means there are some things that need updating. So I go over here to plugins. Let me see. One of the plugins that came with the WordPress is out of date. So look at them. So I don't even need to update them because I don't need them. So I'll just check this to have all of them checked, and I come here, delete. Just want to remove everything because, like I said, I need a clean slate to work with. Okay, so those plugins are now gone. All right, have a clean dashboard, clean plugins. All right, so what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to now go ahead, all right, and bring in the website from where I have already built it, and that has to do with migrating a website. So let me show you the website. The website is already built right here. So this is the website I'm going to be migrating. Okay, but I won't be doing that in this class, so we'll do that in the next class. All right, so I believe you've now known how to install WordPress on a new website, right? I hope you've gotten value. So I'll see you in the next class. Cheers.